Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play downloaded maps on SnowRunner. First, navigate to the main menu and select the mod browser option. This is your gateway to a vast collection of community-created content. You can easily browse through various custom maps, vehicles, and other modifications. Once you find something you like, simply subscribe to it, and the game will begin downloading the content automatically for you. After your chosen mods have finished downloading, it is crucial to activate them. Return to the mod browser and go to the My Mods section. Here, you will see a list of all your downloaded content. Make sure the toggle switch next to each desired mod is set to on or enabled. Occasionally, a game restart might be necessary for certain modifications to take full effect, so keep that in mind. Now that your mods are downloaded and activated, it is time to jump into the game. You can either start a brand new game or load an existing save file. When selecting your region, look for the custom map you subscribe to. It should appear alongside the standard maps. Before confirming, double-check that your enabled mods are listed as active for that particular save. This ensures everything loads correctly. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues with downloaded maps. First, always verify that the mod is compatible with your current SnowRunner game version. Outdated mods can cause crashes or unexpected behavior. Also, carefully read the mod's description for any unique installation steps or known conflicts. If problems persist, consider reporting the issue to the mod creator. They often provide solutions or updates to their content.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.